Chapter 10 E3B, we're going to take a look at a group purchase. In this scenario, Sean purchased a car wash and it cost him $480,000. But in that, he was receiving land, the building, and the equipment used for the car wash. So if he were to have purchased each of those separately, he would have had paid individually $120,000 for the land, $270,000 for the building, and $210,000 for the equipment. Which, as you can see here, if he would have purchased them separately, he would have paid $600,000. But since he purchased it as a group, he only paid $480,000. So we need to figure out, of this purchase, how much do we need to distribute to the land account, to the building account, and to the equipment account, because they're all going to have a separate account. We can't lump it all together in just car wash. The building will depreciate and the equipment will depreciate at different rates, so they have to have their own accounts. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to figure the percentage. So of the total appraisal value of $600,000, what percentage was land, building, and equipment? So we do that by dividing each of those by $600,000, and we determined that of that purchase, 20% was land, 45% is for the building, and 20% is for the equipment. So now what we're going to do is we're going to figure out the $480,000. How do we split it up? Well, we're going to divide it up based on the percentages. So now we will take each of those percentages times $480,000, and that will determine how much of that $480,000 belongs to the individual accounts. So based on that calculation, $96,000 will go to land, which is 20%. $216,000 will be recorded in the building account, which is 45%, and $168,000 will be recorded for the equipment, and that is 20% of the total cost of $480,000.